Very good morning. Hope you're all fine and you're all set for the session. And today is day 2. So as I said yesterday, we are going to continue today a little more further than our yesterday's practice. So make sure that you keep your mat clean, relaxed, and try to be in a place where there is no much of a noise around you. Okay. Now before we start, we'll do a very mild movement to relax your body. You can do this session even after your high intense or any kind of other workouts too. Sit comfortably either on the ground or pick up a chair, and if you are sitting on the ground you can sit either in Vajrasana or Sukhasana. So how to keep your hands? While you do your practice of Pranayama, when you are working on your nostril and if you have to use your hand, then keep your hands in Chin Mudra. Okay. So generally we practice use one hand to keep the nostril closed and open. So we gonna use one hand and left hand is going to be in Chin Mudra. If you are going to just focus on your breath, you can keep your hand on top of each other and keep it just below the navel on the thigh. Okay, I hope you have all the clear instructions, because once we start we are not going to look back. I want you to not have any more doubts once we start the session. Alright, so before we start, we'll do very few stretches and movement to get your body back to normal, where your body and mind is relaxed. You can try these sessions either before your workout or any kind of a high intensity workout you're doing. You can do this after that also. Alright, so let's begin. Now first focus on your shoulder, drop your shoulders down, and we're going to do just some shoulder movement. Inhale up, push your shoulder back and down. 2 more times. Inhale, very slow movement, push it back, drop it down. Last one. Inhale and exhale, down. Same thing the other side. Move back and forward. Inhale back and forward. The last one. Inhale and exhale. The session is going to be more about breathing and meditation. It's going to be pretty slow. If you think you don't have a lot of patience, then you should definitely do it. If you think it is too slow, I'm not able to do it, that means your mind is running too fast. You have to bring it down to have a better balance. I would strongly suggest you to practice. It's going to be 10 to 15 minutes. I'm sure you can give that much time to yourself. Now you're going to turn your neck to the right side and to the left side. We'll do this 3 more times. 1, change, 2, change, last one, 3 and change. Come back to center. The last stretch before we start our breath walk. Keep your right hand on the knee, left hand slightly behind. Keep your spine straight and give a mild stretch. You don't have to force yourself at all here. Take it very light. A long breathe in, long breathe out. Come back to center. Now other side. Slow down your breath. Deep inhale and deep exhale. Last one more time. Turn back, inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Center. Other side. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Come back to center. Now first 5 counts we are going to take a deep breathe in, breathe out. Let's keep our hand on top of each other. Now gently close your eyes, keep your shoulders wide. Now pay attention to the way you're breathing in and breathing out, and try to slow down your breath as much as you can. Take a deep inhale and a deep exhale. Deep inhale and exhale. Third one, inhale and exhale. Fourth one, inhale and exhale. The last one, inhale and slowly exhale. Now open your eyes. The next one, you're going to close your right nostril, inhale and exhale only from the left side 5 times, and we're going to do the same thing the other side. But here, when you inhale, before you exhale, you're going to hold your breath for at least 5 counts in your mind. Okay, so let's start. So left hand is in chin mudra, right hand, second and third finger is closed. Now eyes closed and close your right nostril as well. Inhale from the left. Hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Inhale again. Hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Inhale once again. Hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Inhale. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Last one, inhale. Hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Now keep your eyes closed. Drop your hand down, both the hands in chin mudra. Breathe in and breathe out from both the nostrils normally few times. You don't have to force yourself to get your breath longer or shorter. Just please keep your eyes closed, do not open your eyes, and continue to breathe normally few times. Few people might find it hard to slow down yourself. You might find it really hard to relax and have patience to do all such a simple things. But that shows the state of your mind. If you're struggling to do it, that means you have to definitely try this. Without your own realization, you can see that you're getting better mentally and much more relaxed than before. We are going to repeat the same thing other side. We're going to close our left nostril. Inhale from the right. Deep inhale. Hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Inhale once again. Hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Third one, inhale. Hold your breath 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Inhale. Hold your breath 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Last one. Inhale. Hold your breath 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Keep your eyes closed. Do not open your eyes. Drop your hand down. Let your both the hands in Chin Mudra. Breathe in and breathe out from your both the nostrils. Now just focus on your inhale and exhalation as well as your movement of the chest. Keep your forehead relaxed. Just follow the instructions as it is. Now, eyes closed as it is. Do not open your eyes. Just follow the instructions. First, close your right nostril from the right thumb. Inhale from the left side. Hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now close your left nostril. Exhale from the right side. Inhale from the right again. Hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale from the left side. Inhale from the left. Hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale from the right side. Inhale from the right again. Hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale from the left side. Inhale from the left side. Hold your breath and stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale from the right. Now, inhale from the right. No holding the breath. Just exhale from the left. Inhale from the left. Exhale from the right. Inhale from the right. And exhale from the left. Now eyes closed as it is. Just drop your hands down in Chin Mudra on the thigh. Take a deep breath in and deep breath out. Just observe the quality of the breath right now. Try to keep your shoulders relaxed. Continue to focus on the way you're breathing in and you're breathing out. Don't pay attention to anything else which is happening around. Your only focus is your breath. Continue to watch it. Inhale and exhale. The more slower your breath is, the more relaxed you actually feel like. It's okay to have a lot of thoughts in your mind right now. Just don't pay attention to it. The moment you realize that you are distracted towards your thoughts, gently shift your focus from your thoughts to the breath. If you think it is difficult, it is going to be difficult. If you think it is easy, it is going to be very easy. Just let your focus be there on the breath. A deep inhale and exhale, filling the air all the way to the chest and the stomach. And exhale out. One more inhale. And exhale. With this exhalation, shift your focus from your breath to the fingers of your both the hands. Release Chin Mudra. Get your both the palm together, but your eyes are still closed. Come to Namaskara Mudra. Your breath is still long, so try to breathe slow. Rub your both the palm nicely, make it warm. Drop it on your eyes. Now open your eyes and look into your palm. Thank you. I'm sure it was quite relaxing and your mind is definitely slowed down compared to before where you started. If you like this practice along with me, do drop a comment. Would love to see your feedback. And with the day 3, I'll see you tomorrow. So till then, keep practicing and stay healthy. I'm also conducting online group classes. If you want to practice with me regularly, you can join these live sessions. All the details are given in the description. If you have any doubts, you can reach me on Instagram, Yoga for Cure. You can message me there.